So many reasons why I want you for you, my love. Now you want to retire with my love. See all the little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come. I'm a hard to make with it. Girl, I make you do. Oh, no. I bet make you do. Oh, no. I'm a hard to make with it. Oh, no. Girl, I make you do. Oh, no. I bet make you do. Pull over. Come on, pull over.
Hello my kitties. Welcome back to another wig tutorial. Y'all, I have not been excited for a wig in so long. The excitement is all in my smile. If I should tell you that this is the most realistic wig I've ever seen, best believe it is. The wig makers have finally changed the game for us, and you'll get what I mean shortly. Just hold on. I can't even begin to express how I feel about this kinky straight hair with ventilated curly edges, which mimics our natural hairline. Today's video is all about this wig from Shine Hair Wig. I was hyped about the packaging because I can repurpose the bag as my handy makeup bag. This is how you know you're getting old, when things like this excite you. That's besides the point. Let's concentrate on why exactly we are here, else I'm just going to keep emphasizing on this bag. The hair I'm working with is their 24 inches Kinky straight 13x4 HD frontal in 250% density with ventilated curly edges, which is the best part of this wig, y'all. Like, just look at it. It mimics a natural hairline perfectly. Anyway, I'm a jet black hair girl, but this wig comes with a natural black color, which I actually don't mind for this type of wig because we are obviously going for a realistic look. One thing about me when it comes to installing wigs, I like to do most of the work on my mannequin head. I just find that to be easier and faster. Attached to the wig is a care manual, which is definitely going to come in handy, especially for those who don't really know how to take care of their wigs. As you can see, the knots of the frontal are quite big, and we don't do big invisible knots here. Okay, so I'm going to flip the wig over and try my best to get all the hair strands out of the way and go ahead and bleach these knots. After washing the bleach out of the frontal, I'm going to prop it back on my mannequin head and blow dry. The only hair that was shed after the blow dry process, which is quite impressive, so kudos to Shine Hair Wig. Let's get into the styling, shall we? I'm going to apply just one pump of this serum to the wig just to bring some shine back into the wig, and I'm going to spray a generous amount of heat protectant before I apply any type of heat to the hair. This step is actually a very crucial and important step, and I would suggest you don't miss this particular step if you want to increase the lifespan of your wigs. I love working in sections, by the way, so I'm going to section out the hair and straighten it because I want to go for sort of like the silk press type of look. So I'm going to section it off and straighten it on 450 degrees. Is that enough? We get along so well. Just say and be so cute. It's impossible to ignore you. When must you make me laugh so much? Is that enough? We get along so well. Just say goodnight. just to clean up my middle part for a sharp look. At the same time, I'm trying to maintain the realisticness of the wig, if you get what I mean. I don't want it to look too fake, as we are trying to achieve a very realistic install with this wig. So now that I've walked you through the entire prepping stage, I can now show you the install process. The installation I'm going to do today is the glueless installation. I'm not going to be doing the board cap method or anything because I don't really intend on keeping the wig. Hey! I don't really intend on keeping the wig installed for too long. I want you to see the entire installation process, so we are going to start from scratch. First of all, let's get my edges out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and tint my frontal with my exact foundation shade because you don't want to be out here looking crazy. Make sure to spray some got-to-be spray after and dry it to prevent the foundation from messing up your install. I also highly recommend using a matte foundation for this particular step because I feel like it dries down better. The lace on the back is of no purpose, so I'm just going to cut that off, and I'll remove all the combs on the inner part of the wig, leaving just the one at the back. At this point, we are finally ready for our install. I'm going to line up the frontal with my hairline just to have an idea of exactly where I want it to be. Placement is really key, and this step is also really important, so make sure you line up your frontal with your hairline before you go ahead and apply your adhesive. Obviously, we can see the wig cap underneath, so I'm going to conceal that with some powder. What must you make me laugh so much? I would not recommend installing your frontal with a full face of makeup because it can get messy, but for presentation purpose, I just had to do so. You need to work on a clean slate, so I'm just going to go ahead and wipe the area I want the wig to sit before I proceed with my installation. I'll be using the Ebin spray for this glueless install. I don't go heavy-handed with this. I don't spray all along my hairline. It will get extremely messy, so I'm going to do it one spray at a time and spread it on the area with my finger. This way you get a mess-free install. Once I've done that, I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on a cool setting, not hot, and I'm going to dry that till it gets tacky before putting the lace on it. Using my rattle comb, I'm going to press the lace into the adhesive while drying at the same time on the cool setting. It's now time to cut the lace off. As I said in the beginning of the video, I love working in sections, so I'm going to carefully cut the lace in sections, and I'll fix any parts that didn't stick on as I go. The rest of the tutorial is kind of self-explanatory. It's kind of like a watch and learn, so I'm just going to leave you all to watch and learn. If you are still watching this tutorial, then obviously you are loving the content. So why haven't you subscribed yet? I've realized that I don't say that much, so most of you are not subscribing, but today I'm saying it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment. So don't leave without doing any of these things. Okay, I want you to join the family. So if you know you haven't already subscribed, kindly do so. Hit the red subscribe button and join the family, because I have more of these coming up, so just watch out. To tie it down one more time for that perfect melt, and while that's marinating I'll hot comb the top of the wig some more, because I don't like the bulky look, but also I'll try not to make it too flat, else it's going to look unrealistic. So there is me sipping on some Coke, because I'm almost done with the installation process. So I'm just going to flat iron it a little bit while the band is still on. And the final steps and paying attention to the final details are actually what will make or break your look. All the information about this wig is going to be in my description box below, and I can't come on here and be giving you guys the good stuff and not give you ways to save some money while getting the good stuff. So definitely I'm going to give you guys the discount code to save some money while looking good. So look in my description box. All the information to this hair is going to be in my description box, including my discount code. So make sure you use my discount code for some money off your purchase. At this point, it's time to take off the band and comb out the edges, because I don't like it when it's like sticking down. So I'll just fix the lace a little bit with some foundation, because some parts were still white. So I just used the leftover foundation on my brush to just fix that, brushed out my edges, and then I was good to go. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and thanks to Shine Hair Wig for sponsoring today's video. I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you